and golden on both sides. These deliciously versatile breads are made without yeast and are available in good supermarkets and local Middle Eastern shops. Next, thinly slice fresh fennel and scatter over the toasted flatbread. Then, toast aromatic fennel seeds in a hot, dry pan and sprinkle on top. Crumble over wonderfully tangy feta cheese. Finish with a drizzle of sweet and sticky pomegranate molasses. Bread transformed before your eyes. Flatbreads with fennel and feta, simple, delicious, and ready to eat in minutes. My next recipe that turns a hunk of bread into a stunning dish is bruschetta with garlic, tomatoes, capers, and pecorino. Start by slicing a baguette diagonally. Get a large surface area so it holds more of the delicious topping. Drizzle the bread with extra virgin olive oil. Then place it oil side down onto a scorching hot griddle. When the bread is beautifully charred, remove and rub with a peeled clove of garlic, paying attention to the edges. Next, half sweet cherry tomato.